Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can download Ring app. So let's just get started. Firstly, just go to your app store or play store. In my case I have an app store because I have a iOS device. So let's just get started. Go to search and then search for Ring app like this and search it and go to this first option which says Ring always home. Just go over there, just go over here and it will load. It will ask you to confirm it, and then it will start downloading. So it's downloading. Let's wait for a while. Let's have some patience, guys. It's almost there and it's downloaded. Now you can open it like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope you learned something from it, guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.